Hello there, I'm Dennis. Today we're going to install the Mate desktop onto our Arch base. What you see in front of you is Oracle VirtualBox. All I've done was created a base Arch install, and then I simply cloned it. I knew that was going to happen. Let me do that again. There we go. All I did was right click on it and select clone, and I did do a video on it, so if you need to know how to do it, that's easy to do. Okay, so today though we're going to install Mate onto Arch Linux. So let's get started. It's going to be very simple. Desktop environments are easy, and you don't have to just do one. You can do as many as you want, I guess. Personally, I've done 4 on one build just to see how it would work. I'm not saying it would work forever, but so I'm going to log in as my user account, my username instead of root. This means I have to preface everything with sudo. So first thing I'm going to do is sudo pacman -capital SYU. Probably a update since I hadn't checked. Mirror list. I won't take but a second. Control O, clear the screen. Control L, I'm sorry, clear the screen. So now I'm going to say sudo. We're going to have to get some stuff first. S. And let's see, we're going to need xorg, let's see, xinit, xorg drivers, xorg. Now you may not need all of this stuff, but it's not going to hurt anything just sitting there. And if you ever need it, it'll already be there waiting on you. Xorg xkill, xorg. See, I feel like I'm missing something here. Server, driver, apps. Okay, let's see. Init, drivers, server, apps. Okay, that's it. So let's go. I'm going to hit that, say entered everything, because I'm going to want all of it. Wouldn't ask for it. Didn't want it. Of course, it don't know that. As it turns out, Mate is actually a beautiful desktop, and I like it. It's not my first choice, but if I had to make a choice, Mate would probably be second. Okay, it didn't take long, so I'm going to say Control L to clear the screen. And now we can say sudo pacman -s, and we're going to get Mate and Mate extra. And I'm also going to get xdg user dirs, since I know we got a root and a home partition. Mate extra, hit enter. Gonna want all, gonna want all, gonna want all. Okay, this is almost a gig install size, so this will take just a few minutes. I'll pause the video right here and I'll be right back. Okay, so it's through downloading and it's installing. It's almost through. It's about almost halfway through with the installation. Next thing we're going to need is we're going to need a login manager, desktop manager, Windows manager. I'm not sure. You call it what you want to. It's going to be what we log into. And in this case, I'm going to use LightDM. You could use GDM or SDDM, but my choice is LightDM. Okay, Control L to clear the screen. Now we're going to say sudo pacman -s, and we're going to get LightDM. We're also going to get light DM-GTK-greeter. We're also going to get light DM-GTK greeter dash settings, plural. And also going to need XDG user diars, because we got a home partition and this will put our documents, music, whatever. Okay, it's on the way. That sure was quick, wasn't it? Control L to clear the screen. Most important, do not forget sudo systemctl enable light DM period service. Okay, check my spelling. Good. Uh-oh. See, I'm glad I sure didn't hit. Sure, I'm glad I didn't hit enter. It would have just said I didn't have permissions, but that's okay. We should see a symlink saying it's created. Okay, that's all we need. At this point, we can say reboot, and we should be able to assign right into our Mate desktop. It's always a little period of anxiousness right here. First thing I'd like to see is my mouse, and then immediately my little login manager. There's a mouse, there's a login manager. Let me give it my long, complicated, almost forgettable password. And there's our beautiful Mate desktop. And if you'll notice, the volume works right out of the box. And it's ready to go. That's a full desktop right there. You've got your system, preferences, hardware, sound, everything is here. The only thing that's not here is you, in order to modify it, create your own system. That's it. That's it for the Mate desktop. I appreciate you watching. And we'll be back.